Hello my fellow chef knives enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you this Takeshi Saji Rainbow Damascus knife. It came in this beautiful Kiri Box.
I'd love to put you in a beautiful Kiri Box, 6 feet under.
It also came with this custom handle. I was just interested in the blade, not so much in the handle to be honest, because there's way too much going on for me on this handle. Too many different colors and just not really my style, but I really was looking for a Rainbow Damascus blade by Takeshi Saji. That's why I initially bought this knife. So let's see what this Rainbow Damascus blade looks like.
It probably looks like any other knife, you nerd.
Ooh. Yeah. Now that's gorgeous.
Not as gorgeous as my incredible physique.
This Rainbow Damascus thing, you either hate it or you love it, I guess.
I hate it. Not loving it.
This was the 4th Rainbow Damascus blade that I've bought, so go figure. I kind of loving it.
That makes you my enemy.
This is definitely a really nice one because I like how the pattern is very open. It's almost like a children's drawing to me. It's very beautiful. Makes me think of the Rainbow Damascus pattern on my Ao Gyuto from Yukurosaki, but yeah, I love these layers of messing and copper. Especially these cladding lines of copper and messing are really pretty on these blades. It has a rather thick grind, almost like a workhorse grind. Not really like a beater knife, but it is quite chunky. For a Bunka, definitely pretty heavy. It's still nimble and you can work with it. If you have to do a lot of preps in a professional kitchen, this will get you a little bit fatigued at a certain point. Also, the choil and spine are not rounded, so using this for longer than 30 minutes, hour, it will definitely start to hurt your fingers a little bit. So definitely not a knife that I would take to work. I used it once at home and then I was like, okay, let's just put it on the wall and stare at it sometimes because it's just pretty, but it's not gonna be one of my go-to knives. I have a lot of nice knives that I love to use. My favorite knives, of course, get more frequent time in my rotation. So after a couple of years now staring at it, I'm ready to let it go.
Letting go is the only thing you can hold on to.
Just the other day, the owner of the Tonton Club, Cedar Tonkas, recently let me know that his Romanian chef, Stefan Catalin, is going to stop working for him. Cedar, knowing that I'm a little bit of an influencer, asked me for advice to buy him a really nice knife as a farewell gift and a thank you gift for working his ass off for 7 years. I immediately had to think of this knife when Cedar asked me for advice. Genuinely, I really think Stefan is gonna love this knife. So in a few days, it's gonna be his last day working after 7 years of working at the Tonton Club. And then Cedar is going to hand him this knife as a thank you and farewell gift.
Don't forget to oil the knife with Tsubaki oil, you fool.
Kills him. Whoa. So.
How does it feel to see that knife in the hands of that Romanian gypsy?
It pains me a little bit to let this knife go, although this was not a knife that I was using. It was a knife that I just loved staring at for a little bit every day. It's, in my humble opinion, a really pretty blade made by an OG master like Takeshi Saji. In the world of Japanese knives, there are a few names that ring out as true masters of their craft, and for more than 50 years, 3rd generation blacksmith of Takefu City, Takeshi Saji has been widely considered one of the best. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna miss it hanging on my wall there, but I'd rather have somebody really using the knife. Also happy that it goes to someone that I know, and I'm really happy that he now will get his hands on a really nice Takeshi Saji knife. Stefan, take care of this baby. Talk to you soon.
This video is finally over now? Good. Now throw away that ball. That's right. You're my slave and will do as you're told. Now throw it again. But this time you fix it yourself.